Hello everyone. Today I have come up with another story. It is the story of Ivan Pavlov. When he was gonna die, so one question was asked by somebody to him. And the question was, what would you teach your student? What message you want to give? And he said, passion and gradualness. And it is a real thing. When you want to do something in your life, you are supposed to be passionate about something. Really you want to do, or you have to do it? Do you have the burning desire towards that task, or people are pushing you? Second, gradualness. Of course, the act of being gradual. Because when you want to progress in your life, so when you want to progress, so you cannot progress within a day. And it is said Rome was not built in a day. It took so many years. Same it happens when you want to complete your task. First you should be passionate about your task. Because once you do not succeed and you leave the hope, so you are not passionate. And second thing, when you are passionate and you are not getting the results, so don't panic. You will get the result sooner or later. But if you keep working gradually, so that gradualness will get you so many things. Because slowly you are progressing. I want to reduce my weight by 10 kg. It cannot be reduced within a day, within 10 days, within 1 month. If I reduce it within a month, so 100% I cannot sustain that weight also. I may get lots of disease. But gradually if I lose the weight, so I will be fit. And if I'm passionate about losing the weight, 100% I will not lose my enthusiasm for losing that weight. I will lose it at any cost. I will burn the fat. So in our life, if we really want to become successful, for succeeding also, we need to be gradual. We need to be passionate. We should have passion about that task which we have been doing. We should be passionate about completing those things which really we want to do. And if we get stuck, so don't panic, we will be doing it gradually. So that Ivan Pavlov gave really good example. It was the passion, it was the gradualness that especially made him better. He did not become just greatest physiologist just like that. He had the passion. He was passionate. He just worked upon the conditioning. Even he gave the example of the dog, where he used to ring the bell and dog used to come, and he used to give some kind of cookies and all, and dog used to start salivating. And when dog used to salivate, then he used to give the cookies. First he would show the cookies to the dog, but he would not give, because he started conditioning the dog. Then he worked upon the instinct. He was completely ready for research, and it was the instinct for the research. And there he also saw that dog conditioned itself. Then he researched the nervous system of the human being, and he studied chemistry and physiology, and he became the physiologist. So the thing is that he did not leave the hope of studying. He kept studying gradually. He kept progressing. He just worked upon his process. So gradually he kept doing. So when we want to go ahead, when we want to complete any task, so we are not supposed to use whole energy within a day. We need to channelize this energy from that way to another way, and gradually we need to work. and we should have the passion towards that work. In this way we become successful in our life. So two things we need to do whenever you want to succeed in your life. First, you should have passion towards that task which you are doing. Second, you need to have the gradualness. Through these both, you can succeed, you can achieve those things which you really want to achieve in your life, which you want to attain in your life. So thank you guys for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.